HexClad sent me their 12-inch hybrid pan for review and their 12-inch lid. And this is one exceptionally durable, gorgeous lid. Let's get into it. Now this is still just a lid, but HexClad makes a really, really nice lid that fits on perfectly. And how it fits so cleanly, thanks to this clean and deep lip, it actually indents just a little bit, so the pan goes into that to really give it more of an airtight cook than mini lids provide. Then it is tempered glass, so you can see your food cooking. It has this fantastic handle that feels really nice to hold on to. And then of course it has one outlet for pressure and heat to get out as needed without losing too much. You will love this.